call. Trophies on the wall, can I really have it all? I just wanna ball, somebody I can call. Trophies on the wall, can I really have it all? Yeah, but I just want it all. Yeah, and I just wanna ball, somebody I can call. Trophies on the wall, can I really have it all? Can I really have it? It's no mistakes when I start. I'm for the greats in the art. I've been shooting my shot, and would you look at the art? It started off as a spark, just doing work in the yard. Against all of the odds, I'm toe to toe with the gods. Yeah, and that is not for applause. That's for all of y'all that's defying the odds and trying to pop. Remember that the world is yours, world's course. Nods to the world is yours. Yeah, and I just wanna ball, somebody I can call. Trophies on the wall, can I really have it all?
What's up, boys? We're in Palm Springs with my boy Adam. We're gonna be messing around with golf carts and motorcycles. It's gonna be kind of fun. All right, boys.
All of this video is gonna be Owen being very, very cautious. He's gonna be like, stop, stop, stop.
Oh, stop! Film the steering wheel. Go give me some of that pretzel. Oh, actually, cart.
Oh my god.
Dude, you can't do that. Come on.
Dude, my level of humor is so much like it's just not.
Boys, look at these pretzels.
Or
Oh god, we're gonna crash. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Guys, y'all ever just feel like suicidal?
No, stop.
This is gonna be such a great video.
Better not go here.
Oh my god.
No, Adam, don't.
Adam?
The camera.
Hey boy. MTV Cribs, welcome to my crib. You wanna hop in?
So where are you going right now?
Disneyland.
Off the hill.
That too. We might die. Make a good video though.
Why are you always eating pretzels every time I film you?
Dude, these are so
I'm gonna go down the hill. Owen's gonna record it all because he's too scared to be on this thing.
No, the camera could get hurt.
Yeah, sure.
yeah, because it has feelings.
Peace. Drive off now. What the hell are you?
Okay, Adam, we have to go to that spot of where the Adam!
Yeah. Hop in, Owen.
Okay. Yo!
Owen.
Dude, actually stop.
Hop in, Owen.
Jake! Yo,
Oh my god.
Hold on to these.
Owen's on the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Owen's on the back. Oh, yo, he's swerving and skirving. Well, Owen was right here, boys. As you can see.
Standing right
Just
there.
chilling in the back.
All right,
We got
where's
Adam. Adam, what are you up to, bro?
I want to go down, but I don't.
We got skirt.
Just throw a rock at him.
He's coming.
Good morning.
It's another street.
Ooh.
Oh my god, the Go!
Is that your dad? Yo, go.
Bro, someone's chasing us. We need to pull somewhere.
I don't know them.
No.
I don't know them.
They went by your house. All right, guys. So what do you think about this?
Man, I'm out here riding golf carts out here in Palm Springs, California, just chilling.
So do you have any life speeches for us people on YouTube?
Oh, life speeches. Do what you do, bro. Do your thing. Enjoy life.
Okay. Anything about you?
Enjoy your life and be safe and come from a place of love. Have a good time.
Okay. Thank you, guys. What was your name?
OGK Dub.
And you?
Tracy.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Going down there.
I miss sweat. I only know the best. That's up on my chest. I only know the reps. I only know what's next. Nothing more, nothing less. All on my name. I've been watching on the game, and I'm trying to make moves. Yeah, I'm trying to make moves, and they trying to move chains. Put some gold on my name. 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 I've been watching on the game, and I'm trying to make moves. Yeah, I'm trying to make moves, and they trying to move chains. Put some gold on my name. Put some gold on my name. Put some gold on my name. Y'all trying to move chains. I ain't into playing games. I ain't into naming names, but I mean it just the same. When I name in the lights, and the lights turn to flame, and the flame turn to ash, but the gold will remain. Yeah, gold on my name. I've been watching on the game, and I'm trying to make moves. Yeah, I'm trying to make moves, and they trying to move chains. Put some gold on my name. 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 I've been watching on the game, and I'm trying to make moves. Yeah, I'm trying to make moves, and they trying to move chains. Put some gold on my name. Put some gold on my name. Put some gold on my name. This ain't what you thought it was. This ain't for nights out or for good enough. It's for early AM, still waking up. Trying to make it, yup. It's our time and we gon' take it up. Gold on my name, I've been watching on it.
Alright boys, thanks for making it to the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.